But yeah, it's nice and quiet in here today, y'all. See the vibe we got going on. We done did the videos, then we just left it rolling in the green rooms. See. The boy halfway know what he doing, boy. Hey, I keep trying to tell you, it's a formula. Watch out. It's just what we do, though. But yeah, coming up soon, I'll have to move some of these dragon fruit. So that'll be a project on the cultivation channel. Then, let's see. Either replant the strawberries in the other system or see if I can get some more started in something else. Either way, I need more strawberries because those was actually fun to grow, which I appreciate that. The only thing about them is, like I figured out, they like a lot of water. So if you're kind of lazy in the green room, they need a lot of water. That's one thing I did notice about them. Hell, they'll shrivel up real quick on you if you ain't heavy watering daily. Like, nah, don't go play with me. I like water. Boy, Adam Sanders. Shout out to you can do it. Of course, y'all see the money tree and the snake plant in the background. I'm testing the theory on. I've already got the roots on that part that you see in the cup. So now I'm seeing if it'll grow in and keep running on its own. But initially, it's a low water maintenance little fucking plant, so don't really need too much water. But we keeping it kind of wet because it just got new roots and just got reacclimated, right? Keep it wet at first and then let it go back to its cycle. Yeah, let it grow in, right? Try to give you a shot.